Hey everybody, I'm Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add inkjet printer transfers to your projects. Let's get into it. For this transfer technique, you're only going to need two things, an inkjet printer and some sticker paper. Start by getting some sticker or label paper. I'll leave a link below to what I use. Peel off the sticker part and straighten out the paper so it will fit properly in the printer. Make sure to orient the paper in the printer so that it prints on the slippery side of the paper. Leave the printer settings to print on regular paper. Before you push print, flip the image horizontally so it is the opposite direction as how you want it to appear on your work surface. Once your image is printed, be extra careful not to touch it because it does not adhere to the slippery paper and can be smeared or wiped off really easily. Take your time to orient the picture in the position that you want it on your work surface before allowing it to touch. Gently lower it and begin pressing and smoothing it out, making sure not to allow the paper to shift. The one downside to this technique is that you're working with wet ink and it needs to absorb into some kind of surface, so that really kind of limits you on what type of project surface that you can use. I've found that raw wood is the best project surface. I've tried it on painted surfaces and finished surfaces, and even after leaving the ink to dry for a time, it still can be wiped right off. I have found that you can use a Q-tip to work the ink while it's still wet, filling in any voids, and you can also swipe some ink off the paper if there's any left and add that into the spots. After you let your image dry for a while, make sure to spray it with some kind of protective coating like a polyurethane spray or a shellac. And voila! A cool transfer using only your inkjet printer and some sticker paper. Thanks for watching.